Lindell Smith in the house. Turn it up. We ready to joust. Jai Louis turn na alma. Feel the beat drop. Waterberg stereo. We climbing to the top. Voices from the valley echoing loud. Community vibes, man. We're feeling proud. Every tale shared, every microphone. From the streets to the waves. We in the zone, listening close. You can hear the heart. Real stories told. That's where we start.
Good morning, South Africa, and welcome to Almal se Microfoon on Waterberg Stereo 104.9 FM. I'm your host, Lindell Smith, and today's program is broadcast in English because what we're talking about is not just a local issue, it's a national disaster. Today we raise our voices for something deeply painful, deeply urgent, and deeply real. Violence against women and children, violence against LGBTQ plus community, violence that is destroying families and robbing us of our futures. This is not just a story, it is our reality, and today we speak.
Children don't have to stay silent. Sometimes grown-up thinks that kids don't see things or that we don't understand, but we do. We see when someone is sad. We hear when things aren't right. And we feel when something is wrong, even if no one says it out loud. The Purple Movement teaches us that every voice matters, even the small ones. And being brave doesn't mean you're not scared. It means you speak, even when your voice shakes. If something ever makes you feel uncomfortable, if someone hurts you or someone you know, if you feel scared or confused or unsure, you are allowed to speak. To a teacher, a parent, a friend's mom, a pastor, anyone you trust. Your voice can protect you. Your voice can protect someone else. Your voice can change things. We, the children of this country, are not invisible. We are strong, we are brave, and we choose to speak because silence helps no one.
South Africa, we are bleeding. Every day women wake up afraid. Every day a mother prays that her daughter comes home safe. Every day LGBTQ individuals are targeted simply for being who they are. Some survive, some never come home, and too many cases are never solved. South Africa has taken a historic and courageous step in the fight against gender-based violence and femicide. For too long, the abuse, the trauma, and the countless lives lost to this scourge have been treated as a tragic reality, but not a national priority. Today, that has changed. Gender-based violence and femicide have been officially recognized as a national disaster, a crisis that demands urgent, coordinated, and sustained action from every sphere of society. This declaration, backed by President Cyril Ramaphosa and the government, signifies more than words on a page. It acknowledges that the violence inflicted on women, girls, and vulnerable people across our nation is not just an individual tragedy. It is a systemic crisis affecting families, communities, and the moral fabric of our society. This is a defining moment in our nation's history. It recognizes the reality that South Africa has one of the highest femicide rates in the world, with devastating human consequences. It follows years of activism, from nationwide protests and symbolic silence movements to petitions signed by over 1 million citizens calling for government accountability. And it affirms that gender-based violence and femicide are not just women's issues. They are national emergencies that threaten our peace, stability, and human dignity. By classifying gender-based violence and femicide as a national disaster, the government is signifying that this crisis requires exceptional commitment and a whole-of-society response. But this moment is not only about government action. It is a call to every citizen, community leader, parent, and young person. We must each speak out. We must educate. We must protect. We must hold leaders accountable and support survivors with empathy, dignity, and justice. This crisis is everyone's responsibility and everyone's fight. This is real, this is urgent, this is now. So let's talk honestly about what is happening in our country. No sugarcoating, no looking away. South Africa has one of the highest rates of violence against women and children in the world. Cases are reported every day and thousands more stay hidden in silence. Why? Because too many offenders walk free. Because too many survivors are dismissed. Because too many children are not believed, and this must end. A recent case involving a 7-year-old girl sparked nationwide protest when she was reportedly violated at school in Matatile. Outrage spread across towns and cities, with people demanding justice under the hashtag Justice for CVC Swe. In 2020, Tsigofatso Pule, who was 8 months pregnant, was found unalived in Roodepoort. A hitman was hired by her boyfriend. Her death caused public outrage and highlighted how deeply personal and tragic gender-based violence can be. One of the cases that shook South Africa was that of a 6-year-old Jocelyn Smith. She went missing from her home in 2024, and later the court found that she had been kidnapped and trafficked. Her case reminds us how vulnerable children can be to exploitation and how important it is for communities to stay alert and protect our young ones. And these are just a few of the many unresolved cases where families are still waiting for justice. Silence has never protected anyone. Silence only protects the abusers. And that is why today's program is voiced in English, to reach every household, every province, every community, every ear that needs to hear this. We will not be silent. Not anymore. Today we stand in a purple movement, a movement of awareness, of unity, of courage. Purple flags are rising across the country, symbols of survivors, fighters and voices demanding justice. We are tired of weak laws, broken systems, cases that vanish, protection orders that mean nothing, victims being shamed, perpetrators given second chances, excuses, and silence. We want a South Africa where justice is real, not just words, where offenders face consequences, where survivors receive support, where communities stop normalizing harmful social norms. Today we speak for women who never saw justice, girls whose futures was stolen, survivors who still tremble when they hear footsteps, LGBTQ members attacked just for existing, men's dignity and identity that have been stripped from them, families mourning angels who never came home. We speak for them because their voices matter. The purple movement is more than a color. It is a warning. It is a statement. It is a revolution. Purple says, we see you, we hear you, we believe you, we stand with you. All over South Africa, purple flags are being raised. On social media, at events, on clothing, even painted on walls. Purple for survivors, purple for justice, purple for the daughters we couldn't save. And today on Almal se Microfoon, we make one thing clear. This movement is not going away.
There's a movement in the heartbeat of a country breaking down. Women standing with each other, every city, every town. Purple flags against the violence, they keep sweeping out of sight. We're the color of the courage that refuses to stay quiet. For the daughters who were silenced, for the voices pushed aside, for the little ones who never got the chance to stay alive. We are rising like a wildfire in a nation losing hope, but united we are louder than the hands that tried to choke. 'Cause one voice starts a tremor, then 1,000 join the cry, and the truth becomes a banner they can't bury, they can't hide. Purple flags rising where the storm they can't ignore, and the fire they feared before. We are pushing for a country that will every mother, every sister, every soul that we have found. For the children taken early, for the hurt we can't undo. We'll keep fighting on this front line till the world protects them too. Purple flags rising from the cities to the valleys. Hear a million voices calling for the women and the daughters, for the ones who paid the cost, for the LGBTQ plus family who the system almost lost. Purple flags in every sky, 'cause together we defy. We stand united, we stand till justice arrives.
Jy het geluister na Purple Flags Rising, 'n lied wat nie net klanke dra nie, maar 'n boodskap van waarskuwing, van bewuswording en van stemme wat te lank stil gemaak is. Van hier af skuif ons oor na Afrikaans, want pyn, hoop en waarheid ken nie taalgrens nie. Wanneer ons praat oor geweld, oor respek, oor menswaardigheid, dan praat ons almal dieselfde taal. Jy is ingeskakel by almal se mikrofoon waar elke stem tel, bly ingeskakel.
Sometimes I shout, sometimes I cry. I wonder why the world feels so high. They say I'm wrong, they don't understand the battles I fight with my own hand. But I'm not dead, I'm just afraid, trying to find my way through the shade. I'm still here, even when I fall, even when it feels like I lost it all. I'm still breathing, I'm still strong, maybe broken, but I'll carry on. Yeah, I'm still here, I'm still here. I get mad, I get scared, I push away when no one's there. My heart beats loud, my hands feel weak, but I'm learning now it's okay to speak. Don't give up on me tonight, I'm still reaching for the light. I'm still here, even when I fall, even when it feels like I lost it all. I'm still breathing, I'm still strong, maybe broken.
Jy is ingeskakel op Waterberg Stereo 104.9 FM. Jy luister na almal se mikrofoon. Kersfees is verby, die liggies is af, die borde is weggebere, die foto's is geplaas en nou sit baie mense met 'n stilte wat harder is as die feestyd, want nie almal het 'n geseënde Kersfees gehad nie. Vir party was dit 'n dag van spanning, vir ander 'n dag van alleen wees en vir sommige 'n dag om net te oorleef. Kersfees het 'n manier om alles te vergroot. As jy gelukkig is, voel dit groter, maar as iets seer is, voel dit ook groter. En nou kom die nuwe jaar, oor 2 dae steek hy sy kop uit, nie met antwoorde nie, net met 'n nuwe kalender. Baie mense sê volgende jaar gaan beter wees, maar die waarheid is, 'n jaar verander nie sommer, net omdat die datum verander nie. Wat wel kan verander is hoe ons instap in daardie nuwe jaar. Jy hoef nie vandag te besluit wat jy die hele volgende jaar gaan doen nie. Jy hoef nie doelwitte te hê as jy nog moeg is nie. Jy hoef net eerlik te wees oor waar jy nou is. Miskien stap jy die nuwe jaar in met rou, of met onsekerheid, of met 'n huwelik wat swaar dra, of met 'n hart wat net stil geraak het. Dis ook 'n manier om 'n nuwe jaar te begin, as hierdie jaar jou iets geleer het. Is dit dalk nie hoe om te wen nie, maar hoe om te oorleef. En soms is oorlewing die grootste oorwinning. Voorspoedige nuwe jaar, mag jy veilig wees, mag jy gehoor word. Jy hoef nie sterker te wees as wat jy is nie, vat hom stappie vir stappie. Hier is Veldbrand met Baby, ek's verlief op jou.
Baby, ek's verlief op jou. My hart klop vinnig wanneer ek jou soen. Elke keer as jy in my raak, vergeet ek van alles om my. Elke lach, elke kyk, elke stil oomblik, met jou voel ek weer heel. Ek's regtig in my happy place. Baby, ek's verlief op jou, meer as wat ek ooit kan sê. Elke dag saam jou maak my weer heel. Jy's my waarheid, my lewe, my alles wat ek voel. Jou hand in myne net soft en sweet. Jou liefde klop saam met my hart se beat. Elke lach, elke sug, elke oomblik maak my hart weer lig. Jy maak my lewe perfek. Ek wil jou hê, ek wil jou hou, ek los jou nooit, dis my hart se besluit, my vrou, baby. Ek's verlief op jou, meer as wat ek ooit kan sê. Elke dag saam jou maak my weer heel. Jy's my waarheid, my lewe, my alles wat ek voel. Ek's verlief op jou, meer as wat ek ooit kan sê. Elke dag saam jou maak my weer heel. Jy's my waarheid, my lewe, my alles wat ek voel. As die nacht kom lê en die wêreld chill, hou ek jou vas, jy's alles wat ek wil hê. Geen twyfel, geen vrees, dis ek en jy. Jy's my begin en my einde, my rede om op te staan in die oggend, baby. Ek's verlief op jou, meer as wat ek ooit kan sê. Elke dag saam jou maak my weer heel. Jy's my waarheid, my lewe, my alles wat ek voel. Ek's verlief op jou, baby. Ek's verlief op jou, baby. Ek's verlief op jou. Baby.
Die oes is groot, maar die arbeiders is min. Het vat 'n sekere boer om het in te bring. En die enigste dobbelspel wat die Here goedkeur, is die boerdery. En soms weet jy nie hoekom jy doen wat jy doen nie. Dag na dag in die lande, meer opwaarts as afdrane. En die enigste dobbelspel wat die Here goedkeur, is die boerdery. Ja, ek bid vir vierige oeste en gesondheid. Mag my vrou en my kinders my dra deur die swaarste tyd. Is hier waar ek hoort, waar ek wil bly. Ja, dis vir die boer hier binne my. Dis vir die boerdery. Vierig volle sirkel hier en soos. Ek weet die gees is sterk, maar die lyf is moe. 40 jaar in jou woestyn, 40 dae het jy geloop, 40 keer vir die boerdery. Alles het by die Skepper begin. En 'n boer is 'n man wat weet sonder God groei niks. Van die Skepper die weet, ja die Here die weet. Dis jou hart, dis die boerdery. Ja, ek bid vir vierige oeste en gesondheid. Mag my vrou en my kinders my dra deur die swaarste tyd. Is hier waar ek hoort, waar ek wil bly. Ja, dis vir die boer hier binne my. En 'n trien en koördinate, en hierdie put sonder water. Hierdie lappies land gelap, hier die my ja. dit is alles vir die boerdery.
Daar is iets wat kort van die week was lang. Koue bier wat wag en hy roep my naam, want is naweek. Goeie tye wat aanbreek. Want die plaas kan wag, ek wil dorp toe ry. Daar's 'n girl op die dorp wat my hart kan kry. Sy te kyk in haar oë, kan myself verloor. Die wag was die moeite werd, want sy sit hier langs my. Kan jy ophou staar? Ek raak skoon ongemaklik. Dis sy kyk van jou. Stop het, ek like it. Kan jy ophou staar? My hart raak nou afhanklik. Moet ek jou 2 keer vra, man, het maak my mal, maar ek like it. Dis Vrydag aand by die watergat. Die manne maak weer hulle kele nat. Daar staan sy en kyk na my. Met my tweede dop kom als by mekaar. Kry weer die moed om te praat met haar. Sy te kyk in haar oor, kan myself verloor. Die wag was die moeite werd, want sy sit hier langs my. Kan jy ophou staar? Ek raak skoon ongemaklik. Dis sy kyk van jou. Stop het, ek like it. Kan jy ophou staar? My hart raak nou afhanklik. Moet ek jou 2 keer vra, man, het maak my mal, maar ek like it. Stop het, ek like it. Jy's in my kop, my baby, ek like it. So stop het, ek like it. Jy's in my kop, my baby, ek like it. Kan jy ophou staar? Ek raak skoon ongemaklik. Dis sy kyk van jou. Stop het, ek like it. Kan jy ophou staar? Ek raak skoon ongemaklik. Moet ek jou 2 keer vra, man, het maak my mal, maar ek like it.
Ons het geluister na Veldbrand met Baby Ek's verlief op jou, gevolg deur Appel met Die boer hier binne my, en laaste Brennan Miles met Stop it, ek like it. Nou gaan ons eers weer bietjie na die Golden Oldies luister. Hier is vir julle die tydlose treffertjie Lady in Red van Chris de Burgh. Sit gemaklik ontspan en geniet die musiek.
Never seen you looking so lovely as you did tonight. I've never seen you shine so bright. Never seen so many men ask you if you wanted to dance. Looking for a little romance, given half a chance. I have never seen that dress you're wearing, or the highlights in your hair. seen so many people want to be there by your side, and when you turn to me and smile, you took my breath away. I have never had such a feeling of complete and utter love as I do tonight. Lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. There's nobody here, it's just you and me. It's where I wanna be, but I hardly know this beauty by my side. I'll never forget the way you look tonight. I never will forget the way you look tonight. The lady in red, the lady in red, the lady in red, my lady in red.
Walking like a man, hitting like a hammer. She's a juvenile scam, never was a quitter. Tasted like a raindrop, she's got the look. Heavenly bound, cause heaven's got a number when she's spinning me around. Kissing is a color, a loving is a wild dog. She's got the look. 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 What in the world can make a brown-eyed girl turn blue? When everything I'll ever do, I do for you. And I go la 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 la. She's got the look. Fire in the eyes, naked to the tomb, as a lover's dead.
vir die heerlikheid nog wyn. Rooi wyn vir sy lag en traan en pyn. Want hy wys ons die nuwe wind wat vaai van die val tot onder in Saldanha Bay. Bring vir die heerlikheid nog wyn. Rooi wyn vir sy lag en traan en pyn. Want hy wys ons die nuwe wind wat waai van die val tot onder in Saldanha Bay. Circusmense sien die dorp groot en verreis en die narre staan daar rond. Helde kleer vrachtmotors kom en gaan, manne op die stokke en vans wat in kan staan. Bring vir die heerlikheid nog wyn. Rooi wyn vir sy lag en traan en pyn. Hy wys ons die nuwe wind wat waai van die val tot onder in Saldanha Bay. Circusmeester knik sy kop, treed dan die arena, sit sy swart hoed op, blaas eers op sy fluitjie, afrigtelik sy stok, seilgordyne gly oop en die leeu's kom uit hul hok. Hoogtou akrobate, die mense slaak sig, dwars oor met een wiel fietsen, dan kerel weer terug. En een kant in die donker, weggesteek volle klein, want niks is ooit so hartseer, soos die traan van die heerlikheid. Bring vir die heerlikheid nog wyn. Rooi wyn vir sy lag en traan en pyn. Want hy wys ons die nuwe wind wat waai van die val tot onder in Saldanha Bay. Bring vir die heerlikheid nog wyn. Rooi wyn vir sy lag en traan en pyn. Want hy wys ons die nuwe wind wat waai van die val tot onder in Saldanha Bay.
Ons het geluister na Roxette met The Look, gevolg deur Lips Inc met Funky Town en daarna was dit Sonja Harold met Harlequin. Nou gaan ons weer bietjie die tempo opskryf. Hier volg vir julle energie van Siren Vox. Sit vas en geniet die ritme.
Jy's die vlam in my hart. Jy's die vlam in my hart. Jy stap in die kamerlig op, soos weerlig wat sny deur die donker. Elke tree ritme, elke kyke vonk. Jy trek my in, my hart is aan die brand. Ek voel die hitte, ek voel die stroom, kan hier die vuur nie stilhou nie. Ek kan nie meer. Jy's die vlam in my hart, jy lig my op, vat my oor. Geen ketens, geen reels, net energie. Jy's die vibe wat my vry laat voel. Jy's die vlam in my hart en ek val in jou energie. Elke lach vol ritme ritme, elke beweging 'n vuur. Jy speel die wêreld asof dit jou spel is. Ek probeer asemhaal, maar ek kan nie wegkom nie. Jy is die storm wat ek jag, die adrenalien wat ek soek. Ek voel die hitte, ek voel die stroom, kan hierdie vuur nie stilhou nie. Ek kan nie meer. Jy's die vlam in my hart, jy lig my op, vat my hoor. Geen ketens, geen reëls, net energie. Jy's die vibe wat my vry laat voel. Jy's die vlam in my hart en ek val in jou energie. Vlam betop, laat die nag brand. Ons hou die lig in ons hand. Samen ritme, harte van klank. Ons breek grense, speel elke kaart. Jy's die vlam in my hart. Jy's die vlam in my hart. Jy lig my op, vat my hoor. Geen ketens, geen reëls, net energie. Jy's die vibe wat my vry laat voel. Jy's die vlam in my hart en ek leef in jou energie. Jy's die vlam, jy's die vlam.
If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song. Oh-oh, oh-oh. Lord, make me a rainbow, I'll shine down on my mother. She'll know I'm safe with you when she stands under my colors. Oh, and life ain't always what you think it ought to be. No, ain't even gray, but she buries her baby. The sharp knife of a short life. Well, I've had just enough time. If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song. The sharp knife of a short life. Well, I've had just enough time, and I'll be wearing white when I come into your kingdom. I'm as green as the ring on my little cold finger. I've never known the loving of a man, but it sure felt nice when he was holding my hand. There's a boy here in town says you'll love me forever. Who would have thought forever could be severed by the sharp knife of a short life? Well, I've had just enough time. So put on your best, boys, and I'll wear my pearls. What I never did is done. A penny for my thoughts, oh no, I'll sell them for $1. They're worth so much more after I'm a goner, and maybe then you'll hear the words I've been singing. Funny when you're dead, how people start listening. If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song. Oh, the ballad of the dark.
Dit was Ifada Young van the band Perry, 'n lied wat ons herinner om elke oomblik in ons lewe te waardeer, om liefde te gee en te ontvang, en om nooit die mense wat vir ons kosbaar is as vanselfsprekend aan te neem nie. Onthou elke dag is 'n kans om iets mooi te doen, iemand te bemoedig en jou hart te volg. Hou vas aan hoop, bly dankbaar en leef voluit. Tot volgende keer op almal se mikrofoon waar elke stem tel.
Kyk op na die berge, waar sal my hulp vandaan kom? Ek weet ek's nie alleen nie, hy wat hemel en aarde gemaak het, is by my. Hy laat my nooit val nie, sy hand dra my slaap nie, hy waak oor my elke nag, elke trees in sy hand vasgevat, hy is my skild, my toevlug, my krag, ek roep sy naam, ek voel sy asem in my dag. Ek kyk op van my hulp kom van Yahweh, hy is my rots, my lig, my beskermer, van nou af tot in ewigheid, hy hou my vas, ek vertrou hom, ek staan vas. Die son sal my nie seer maak nie, die maan sal my nie bang maak nie, van nou af tot in ewigheid, hy is by my. Sy teenwoordigheid is my vrede en my krag. Hy slaap nie, hy waak oor my elke nag, elke trees in sy hand vasgevat, hy is my skild, my toevlug, my krag, ek roep sy naam, ek voel sy asem in my dag. Ek kyk op van my hulp kom van Yahweh, hy is my rots, my lig, my beskermer, van nou af tot in ewigheid, hy hou my vas, ek vertrou hom, ek staan vas. Geen kwaad sal my aanraak, geen storm sal my breek, hy dra my, hy is altyd daar, elke tree, elke asem, elke dag, elke nacht, ek loof hom, ek sing sy naam. Ek kyk op van my hulp kom van Yahweh, hy is my rots, my lig, my beskermer,